video, we'll be looking at the basic concept of improvisation. As a teacher, I'm very keen to include this as a part of any lessons, so hopefully this will be a useful resource to you, no matter what stage you are at with your violin playing. When it comes to improvisation, you are left to your own course there in terms of what notes you might want to choose. However, it's good to have some guidelines. For instance, you can pick between 3 to 4 notes that you like on the violin or that sound nice. Then add some rhythm or think of some rhythm. So I'm just going to demonstrate a very simple approach to this. I will choose the open D string, first finger on the D string, which is the E, first finger on the G string, and the open G string. Let's just listen to those notes. And this is in the order I actually introduced them to us. Now I'm going to think of a rhythm. So let's take crotchet, quaver, quaver, crotchet, crotchet. And I'm just going to add it to every note that I've chosen in the order that I introduced them. It's already sounding a little bit like a piece of music. So basically a piece of music is constructed upon rhythm and notes. So this is sort of like a little introduction to composition in a way as well. But with improvisation, you are very much in a moment with what you do and what notes you choose. So let's try this exercise when I'm going to play a little tune based on the 4 notes that I've chosen. So feel free, after my phrase has finished, to pause the video so that you can respond musically to it. I hope that this is giving you a little bit of an idea of what you can do. And technically you can choose any notes you like. So let's try another range. I'm going to say hello to the open A string, the ant or the alligator, first finger B, first finger on the D string again, eagle for instance, if we've landed that way, open D string, and then open E string. So I've got 5 notes here to choose from. I can think of a rhythm to help me carry it through, or I can just firstly experiment with the notes in any order I like. I will do that first. So this was basically like a freestyle playing of the notes. Now I can think of a rhythm to make it a little bit more coherent, and I'll play them in a slightly different order again. So let's choose minim, crotchet, crotchet. This is of course a very basic approach when I'm keeping the same rhythm for all the notes, but I'm just changing the order I'm playing them in. So let me try the same notes but in a different order again with the same rhythm. This is sort of the first session of improvisation I would like you to have a little go at. Hopefully this will make your practice a little bit more exciting. And remember that you can always use improvisation with the scales that you're learning. So if you're learning a specific scale, you can do the same. Choose between 3 to 5 notes from that scale, or even all of them. Just play them in slightly different order with addition of the rhythm, and there you go, already a musical line is created. This is a very simple way to get you writing actual pieces of music. So if you play a musical idea that you actually like, try to see if you can write it down on a manuscript piece of paper. If you haven't learned notation yet, just feel free to write the letter names of the actual notes that you've played with a little bit of rhythm indication. The great thing is that there are no boundaries, so I hope you enjoy this practice.